everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be filming a flip through of my current setup in my Foxy Fix Sugar Cookie Traveler's Notebook. This is a number 5 B6, and I have a pigtails and pockets bow charm on the front. In my front pocket, I keep a couple of DIYs. This is a page marker I made using digital art from Fox and Pip and Studio L2E. This is a dashboard I made just with some motivational quotes and things relating to my 2018 Word of the Year. Got some vellum dividers from My Newest Addiction and a monthly insert from Annie Plans, which I'm using to track birthdays and do pre-planning. This is a stacked bow bookmark from My Newest Addiction. Then I have a vellum divider that I made myself using Silhouette software to combine some of my favorite digital images from Villa Beautiful, Grumpy Bear Sticker Co., Studio L2E, Fox and Pip, The Honeybee Shop. There is a tutorial for this on my channel. Be sure to check that out. Then I have a bills insert from Annie Plans, and I decorated that with some Simply Gilded bow washi. This clip is from an old Planner Society kit. This is a stagger stack bookmark I made using Fox and Pip digitals. I also have a tutorial for this on my channel. Then another divider from My Newest Addiction. The January daily insert from Annie Plans. This is a monthly kit from My Newest Addiction. This kit is from Heather and Plans. It was my very first photo kit and the one that made me fall in love with photo kits. The layout that I use is a 3-column daily untimed insert. And I am now on the Annie Plans PR team, so I have a discount code for that as well as my Newest Addiction code. Those are all in the description below. This kit is from Hello Petite Paper. I used it to mark my birthday week. A lot of really pretty silver foil on this layout. Then I have a My Newest Addiction kit. This one is Chic Essentials. A lot of rose gold foil. The next up is the Classy and Fabulous kit from Villa Beautiful. Love the colors of this one. And again with the silver foil. And the last week that I have for January is the Neutral Life kit from My Newest Addiction, which is probably my favorite kit ever. So, so pretty. I love the illustrations, or the images that she chose for this. Then I have a page marker that I made by laminating some acetate from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I stuck on one of the Target Dollar Spot pockets. And I'm using this to hold some of my favorite die cuts. So we've got Top Knot Double Shot by Fox and Pip. This is another Fox and Pip Planner Nerd die cut. This is a die cut from My Newest Addiction. We've got the Rascog cart from Stickerific. And 2 samplers from My Newest Addiction. This is the old PR team sampler, and the new one, you get this if you use my discount code. Another vellum divider from My Newest Addiction, and a list insert from Annie Plans. This coffee cup clip is from Hobby Lobby. This is a bookmark I made using digital art from Studio L2E and PBJ and Pinco on Etsy. Then I have a page marker I made. The tab and background paper is from a Girl Boss Design kit. The little label on the tab is from a Planner Society kit. The letter itself is from Hobby Lobby, and the illustration at the bottom is one that I cut off of a to-do list pad from My Newest Addiction. And I have another set of the vellum dividers that I made. A list insert from Annie Plans, and this one I really love how the illustrations and colors alternate. It's really pretty. This planner clip is from a Villa Beautiful kit. Then I have a little sticky note decoration I made. The sticky note itself is from My Newest Addiction, and then I added some transparent stickers and quotes from the Happy Planner sticker books, and I stuck it onto my divider using some Simply Gilded tape. The vellum divider itself I made using digital art from Villa Beautiful. Every month with her kits, she includes matching digital papers, which are so gorgeous. And then I have a coloring insert from 1407 Planners. It had been sitting on my desk and hasn't been being used, so I stuck it in my planner in hopes that I will remember that it exists and actually start coloring in it. And then in my back pocket, I have a laminated Fox and Pip die cut. It says Mom Life on it. And another laminated piece of acetate with a Hobby Lobby letter and some sticky notes. And this is my current setup. I'm going to be changing it soon, either for Valentine's Day or just adding in some different elements. I don't know, but I wanted to share this before I change it up. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye!